Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset Instagram feed. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. So to do that, what you're going to do here is you have to simply go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then you have to make sure that this one is up to date. So type on Instagram, and if you see update button right here, what you're going to do is tap on update to make sure that you are using the latest version, latest feature, and to avoid lags and conflicts. Once updated, you can now open your Instagram or launch your Instagram. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to locate your profile at the bottom right corner. You have to click this one right here, tap this. And then once you have tapped your profile, then what you're going to do next is you have to click the three dots at the top right corner. Here under settings, you have to scroll down and look for content preferences. So you have to look for it here. And then once you tap on this content preferences, then what you're going to do next is you have to simply reset suggested content. You have to click this one, and once you tap on this reset suggested content, it will take you directly to this where all you have to do is to read the following, and then once you're okay with want a fresh start, then all you have to do is tap on see. We suggest posts, reels, and other content based on factors like who you follow and your activity. And then here, before setting review who you follow and your ad topic, you can just review everything before you proceed with reset suggested content. Once done, and once you're okay with that, just tap on reset suggested content. And basically, you will see new things here, new reels and pictures and posts. So that's how you reset Instagram feed. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.